Hello, this is Vijay Singh with GOfermentor. Today I'm going to talk to you about how to make white wine in the GOfermentor. As you all know, the main difference between white wine and red wine is that white wine, we press the grapes first, extract the juice, and then perform the fermentation. So here's our process. You can see this conveyor bringing in grapes into the destemming machine. The destemmer has a little pump. It pumps the crushed destemmed grapes into the GOfermentor liner where it's going to be pressed. You can see it going in. It's a completely closed system. There's no air during this operation. So the destemmed and crushed grapes are collected in the GOfermentor liner. We connect it via a press tube and a pump to a second container which contains a receiving GOfermentor bag. We now start to run this pump and extract all the free run from the grapes. Then we start the press operation in the GOfermentor, which causes the secondary blue bladder to inflate. This squeezes out all the remaining juice in the grape must. And here you can see the grape juice being pumped into the receiving container. Once the juice is pressed out, the waste pumice is contained in the bag. Remove the press tube and then detach the bottom fitting, like you'll see here, to make sure the bag is released. Now it can be pulled out. We attach a strap and hoist it up, in this case with a skid steer, and we take it over to our compost pile. Here you can see how dry this pumice is. I've cut it open to show you the dry pumice. So now you can start the fermentation of the juice. Here, open the top fitting and start to pour in your nutrients. And you can do the same thing with the yeast. We don't add any air. We try to inflate the top and put the yeast from the top so it gets aeration during the initial growth. Sampling is super simple. You just take our sampler, connect it to the quick connect, give it a couple of pumps with your hand, and you will see the sample collecting in the bottle. Detach it, take it to the lab, and there's your sample. You've seen how easy it is to set up the GOfermentor for white wine. You can press right in the fermenter into a second one, do the fermentation, no mess at all, completely closed system, all the aromatics are preserved. You're going to love it.